this old charcoal grill in the woods.
Which for now kept spirits pretty high. It's remarkable what a little food and a change in the weather will do to willpower. But unfortunately, the blue team wasn't doing as well.
Poison ivy is kind of spreading.
Man, the hunger is real.
Day 8 and there's nothing in the traps yet.
I'm so hungry I'm about to eat my toothpaste.
How one of those canned goods tastes right by now.
I'm not gonna lie, I would dig into a can of beef.
The fact that we have 50 canned goods up there with beef, peas, corn, blows my mind. Down there looking for crawfish, look to my left, seen this, what I thought was a stick that started moving inside of my eye, and I turned around and I was like, hey, snake! Oh!
But by the end of the day, the wind for both teams began to shift.
Ooh. So change of the day, there's like a massive storm coming. It's possible it's a tornado.
We gotta go, guys.
I get to my shelf. We're about to go.
It's definitely about to storm. It's looking scary. It's literally dropped like 15 degrees in like 10 minutes.
A random wind picked up. Our whole shelter feels like it's gonna fall apart. I have no rain. Is that thunder?
The rain has finally come. Everyone is heading towards their shelter.
That storm is blowing in hard, so that means it's nap time.
If I had to guess, I think this rain is going to be a breaking point for a lot of people.
Currently storming pretty bad. We're huddled up in the shelter. There's no way the red team's handling this as well as we are.
This just made the challenge a lot more interesting.
I had to evacuate the plane. My whole tent blew down. Like, what is happening?
Debating going to the plane, but I think most everyone else is in there.
Our tent collapsed.
Just want to go home.
Now, hopefully, 250 grand is enough for them to push through.
This sucks.
I'm really losing it.
I just keep going back to when things get hard. I'm like, I'm literally in the Mr. Beast video competing for a lot of money. You need to be here for that.
All right. I don't hear rain anymore. The temperature dropped like crazy. It got cold. Time to climb out, see how everybody's doing.
So last night was the coldest night we've been out here. As you can see from the frost and the leaves, the money box, the trees, it was freezing.
Freezing last night.
Get me up out of here.
Did you ever think you'd see an airplane chair frozen outside? That's crazy, right?
I'm miserable. I'm starving.
I don't think I can do another night like that.
But the good news is, if we're really cold, that means the red team is also really cold.
It's like a complete flood through here. That was our fire pit.
It was like so hot yesterday. What's going on here?
The rain made this challenge excruciatingly more difficult.
I'm free!
Causing 6 people from the red team
Mr. Beast, we are never going camping again.
and 2 from the blue team
Y'all better win it.
to head home. Let's just hope that the storm was enough of a distraction to not eat the canned food.
It's award day, so fingers crossed that we win with our 50 cans.
Just patiently awaiting tonight to find out if we won the challenge.
Every single one of us would love to eat that food. What's on the agenda today, guys?
I can do pottery with some people.
If we don't win it, it's not going to be a good day for Red Team. Bag secure.
Hello, everybody. Whoa, there's not many of you left. Can I have your unopened cans?
As promised.
All right, thank you for the cans. Here's a walkie. I'll tell you the results when I get their cans. All right, now let's check in on the professionals. Oh, they're still underground? Oh, okay. Patrick, do you mind helping me carry it? You're very strong, yeah. Okay, here you go. Blue team, is there anything you'd like to say to the red team? All right.
How many cans did you eat?
Wouldn't you like to know?
Yeah.
They think they're doing something. Let's say all of them.
Actually, exactly why I asked, blue team.
You sound hungry and cranky over there.
Red team and blue team, the result of the 50 can challenge are in. In front of me are 2 bags. I say we start off by revealing the blue side's results. Blue team just gave me back.
The hunger is real. How one of those canned goods tastes right by now. The fact that we have 50 canned goods up there blows my mind.
50 cans of food. Yeah! I dropped 2, but 50. And a red team, the amateurs, also gave me 50 cans of food back, meaning neither side will be getting a reward.
Shocker. Flare.
Blue team seems fine. Red team seems very angry about that result. Oh my gosh, wait! I literally just revealed the results and 3 people just got out.
It's been real.
Oh, they are falling apart. I need to go over there.